Welcome to Towa. The Towa Group is a generic company of Japanese origin with more than 70 years of history. Our headquarters are in Osaka, Japan. Our ikigai is to develop and manufacture quality, value-added generic products at affordable costs and in a sustainable manner to contribute to people's health and to bring genuine smiles to our patients around the world. To achieve this goal, the Towa Group acquired Towa International in 2020. Establishing its headquarters in Barcelona. We currently have a direct presence in the United States through our subsidiary Breckenridge Pharmaceutical and in Southern Europe, in Spain, Italy and Portugal, where we operate with our subsidiaries Towa Pharmaceutical and the Peix and Life trademarks. In addition, we are also present in more than 60 countries where we export our products through a Towa B2B licensing model. We have approximately 1,000 people distributed in our locations, and we have an R&D center and a production plant that produces around 5 billion doses per year. It is a pleasure for us to show you our facilities.